Everyone I know is getting married or preparing to attend a wedding. And the most important question that follows right after the word wedding is what to wear. And then comes what to do with your hair. Luckily, I have saved some amazingly glamorous wedding hairstyles that you can easily flaunt this wedding season. Hi guys, I am Ankita and today I am going to show you wedding hairstyles for every hair length. Before I get into the video, go ahead and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. I am going to first curl my hair to give it some texture and make it look fuller. But before that, it's important to apply a heat protectant because as we know, heat styling can damage your hair in the long run. Which is why I have been using this heat protectant. This is the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Heat Protection Spray. Spritz it liberally throughout hair lengths. I love this heat protectant because it does more than just protect my tresses against heat. In fact, it helps detangle stubborn knots, avoids frizz, tames flyaways, adds shine and makes my hair soft to touch. Also guys, if you want to see more wedding hairstyles, then click on the eye icon on the top right. For the first hairstyle, start by creating a middle part. Then make a vertical part. Grab the section and secure that with a hair tie. Repeat the same on the other side as well. And this is what you'll have: 2 pigtails. Now grab the pigtail from one side and divide it in 2 equal parts. Keep one section in hand and repeat the same on the other side. Secure both these sections with a hair tie. Then pick the leftover section and create a 3-strand braid. Make sure to tug on the braid to make it look fuller. Do the same on the other side as well. Now to ensure my hairstyle stays in place all day, I am going to spritz some hairspray. I like to use the Tresemme Compressed Micro Mist Invisible Hold Natural Finish Hairspray. It is fast drying, prevents humidity from creating havoc in the form of frizz. And lastly, I will accessorize this hairstyle by adding a mountie cup. Isn't this hairstyle chic and fun? Perfect for Sangeet or a Mehendi function. For the second hairstyle, start by creating a center part. Take two sections of hair from yours, pull it back and secure it a bit lower with the hair tie. Then take the hair and flip it through. For the rest of the hair, divide it in half and secure each of it with a hair tie. Now pick one section of hair with one hand while the other hand is behind the twist. Then just pull the hair through it. So it's going behind the twist but in front of the bottom ponytail. Repeat the same step on the other side as well. So this is where the hair is gonna look like a crisscross. Repeating the same steps one more time with leftover hair. Then just tuck the remaining hair under the bun and secure it with some U-pins. And lastly, I will accessorize it with some small flowers scattered over the bun. This hairstyle is perfect for the main wedding day as it looks really simple and elegant. For the third hairstyle, start with the side part. Take a section of hair from one side, flatten it to make it look sleek and secure it with a pin at the back. Now for the fun part, scatter the rhinestone and pearl accessory as accent on the hair on the sleek side. This gorgeous embellishment adds an elegant finishing touch to any wedding hairstyle. So guys, I hope you liked wedding hairstyles for every hair length. Do try it out and let me know which hairstyle was your favorite in the comments below. Before you leave, like, share and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. Bye!